2018 Ford Expedition Technology, a rolling entertainment palace. The 2018 Ford Expedition was unveiled today as the ultimate rolling infotainment center. The full-size sub offers onboard telematics, Wi-Fi hotspots 410, streaming video redirected from your home cable system, and dual middle row screens each with their DVD player. Based on the architecture of the Ford F-150 pickup truck, the new Expedition uses a body-on-frame construction, heavy but rugged, and an aluminum body that saves up to 300 pounds, Ford says. There will be regular and extended length, Expedition Maximum, versions measuring about 17 and 19 feet in length, so measure your garage before shopping. Infotainment for every row. Ford says there are more than 40 features and driver assist technologies new to the Expedition. Up front, the infotainment system is an 8-inch touchscreen with Ford Sync 3 supporting both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's a wireless charging. The upgrade audio is B&O Play with 12 speakers. The middle row can be outfitted with dual LCDs in the back of the front seat headrests, each with a DVD player as mentioned above. There's access to a pair of USB jacks plus a 120-volt AUX socket in the back of the front seat console. The third row gets USB jacks on each side and a 12-volt socket on the right. They would use wireless or stored programs on tablets, plugged into the jacks. All told, on upper trim levels, there can be as many as 6 USB jacks, 4 12-volt outlets, a 120-volt AUX outlet, and a key wireless charger. Sync Connect Telematics. Ford will offer Sync Connect, its telematics system, similar to GM's OnStar. The Wi-Fi hotspot will support up to 10 devices running simultaneously, and it reaches 50 feet from the vehicle, useful at campgrounds, or if you're parked close to Starbucks, when its Wi-Fi is down. Sync Connect works with the Sling app to redirect TV programming to the car. Just make sure you understand how much data you're using. Few automakers offer unlimited data to the car. The Ford Pass smartphone app lets the user check on the car remotely, lock, unlock, start, and access diagnostic information. Ford is late to the onboard telematics game. Now that they've arrived, they're going at it full throttle. Driver Assist's the 2018 Expedition offers more driver assist technology than any other full-size SUV, Ford says. It certainly covers all the bases. It has the big three: adaptive cruise control, now full range, blind spot detection, blind spot information system in Ford terminology, and lane departure warning. There is also a rear camera and optionally a full surround camera system, useful on such a big vehicle. There is automated parking, the car steers, the driver controls throttle and brakes. For people who haven't mastered backing a trailer, Pro Trailer Backup Assist simplifies the task. The driver turns a knob on the dashboard in the direction he or she wants the trailer to go. No more remembering you need to turn the wheel right to make the trailer go left, but not so far that you jackknife.